The country's most popular opposition political personalist, Nelson Chamisa, has announced his new political strategies that would make Zimbabwe wake again. Sarapina mashoko atogwa na Nelson Chamisa awa pa May Day, uti subscribe like utina on the bell icon. He said this in his May Day statement, which he disseminated to the media on Wednesday. Below is Chamisa's May Day statement. Today is Workers' Day, saluting all the working men and women who toil for their betterment for our beautiful Zimbabwe. You are the living heroes of this great nation. So Nelson Chamisa vanouya vachipromisa vanhu certain steps pane zvinhu zvavaiva vakapromisa vanhu in his new Zimbabwe yaari kuadvocata for. Anouya achiti, in my new Zimbabwe, our citizens government will put decent work agenda at the heart of our labor market policies. Number 2, we will elevate the TNF from the current talk show status to the prime policy formulation platforms. No public policy will be implemented without passing through the TNF. Number 3, we will immediately grant public sector workers right to collective beginning by rectifying and domesticating ILO Convention 151. Number 4, we will allow workers to demonstrate and demand their rights. Then number 5, we will re-establish a living minimum wage through social dialogue. Ndo mapromises anoitwa naNelson Chamisa pa May Day. Anouya achipromisa aiwa maworkers ese achiti aiwa inini kana ichinge ndapinda pachigaro kana ichinge ndapinda pakutonga my new Zimbabwe ichange ichikomberedzana izvozvo aiwa zvichafavor maworkers kuti achaisa maworkers policies achaisa masalaries kana mawages emaworkers aiwa ari flexible anoita munhu wese akwanise kuwana kuNI living. Ndo mashoko anotaurwa naNelson Chamisa. Chimbotudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko avo. Pinde mucomment section medu dzemafungiro enyu. Aiwa musangano subscribe like channel, turn on the bell icon.